What's up, bunch of degenerates? Are you doing okay? Welcome back to Crypto Yield Pro. Here I dive into the latest and greatest in the DeFi and crypto world. Today, we're unpacking everything about a coin that's been buzzing in the community. JELLYJELLY is the new meme narrative with the ticker JELLYJELLY altogether. We're going to explore it from inception to its current state. Let's go. First off, what's this nasty JELLYJELLY all about? JELLYJELLY was launched with the backing of Sam Lessin, a notable name in tech known for his role in Venmo's creation. This association gives the coin a unique flavor, merging tech credibility with crypto innovation. JELLYJELLY isn't just another meme coin, it's tied to an app aiming to redefine video sharing. Think the competitor app, but for live video chats with AI-generated clips for social media. This utility angle could be its saving grace or its downfall. Despite the app, JELLYJELLY's market behavior screams meme coin, driven by community hype, social media, and let's be honest, a good dose of FOMO. Now, let's crunch some numbers. JELLYJELLY made headlines by hitting a $150 million market cap in just 1 hour after launch. That's not just growth, that's a crypto rocket launch. At the moment, it's trading at around 11 cents, with trading volumes that have seen highs of $681 million daily. But remember, in crypto, what goes up can come down just as fast. From that initial high, we've seen it stabilize around a $110 million market cap, which is still impressive but shows the coin is finding its place in the volatile crypto market. So, with great potential comes great risk. There's been talk of insiders cashing out right after the launch, a classic sign of a pump and dump. This has left many in the community wary. I'm not sure JELLYJELLY can keep up this momentum. The market's littered with coins that had a spectacular start but fizzled out. Long-term utility beyond the meme is crucial. The crypto community is split. Some are all in on JELLYJELLY, seeing it as the next big thing, while others are cautioning against what they see as another speculative bubble. Now, the moment you all have been waiting for. Let's dissect the charts. Key levels to watch are around 7 cents for support and 20 cents for resistance. The RSI on the 1-hour chart has been in overbought territory, hinting at potential market corrections. Keep an eye on it. We've seen volume decrease, which could imply either a cooling off or a setup for another surge. It's all about context here. If JELLYJELLY can hold above its short-term moving averages, like the 9MA, we might see a continuation of the uptrend. Otherwise, prepare for potential dips to disgusting's 2 cents. Now let's talk about the app. If the app delivers on its promise of seamless, AI-enhanced video sharing, it could drive genuine adoption. But apps need users, and users need a reason to stay. How? Well, the token integrates with the app's ecosystem will be key. Will it be used for transactions, governance, or as a reward? These details matter. It's entering in a crowded space. From where I sit, if you're chasing the next big meme coin, JELLYJELLY is on your radar. But remember, with great volatility comes great risk. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Even if you're bullish on JELLYJELLY, keep your portfolio balanced. Watch for updates on the app's development, community engagement, and how the team responds to challenges. That will tell you if this is more than just a meme. And we can't talk about any crypto without considering broader market trends. The overall mood in crypto can lift or sink any coin, including JELLYJELLY. Also, how regulators view meme coins and their associated apps can greatly affect JELLYJELLY's trajectory. Any advancements in blockchain or AI that could enhance the app's functionality would be a massive boost for JELLYJELLY. So, where does JELLYJELLY go from here? It's an open question, and I don't intend to invest right now. But if the app becomes a hit and the coin finds a solid utility, we could see a bright future. You must be tired to know that in the world of crypto, nothing is guaranteed. Now, before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed this deep dive into JELLYJELLY, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto wisdom. And don't forget about my DeFi ebook. It's your key to unlocking the secrets of decentralized finance. The link is in the first pinned comment below of this video. Purchasing my ebook not only helps you navigate DeFi, but also supports this channel's mission to educate, inform, and bring more people to pump your big fatty bags. Thanks for sticking with me through this analysis. Keep your investments sharp and your crypto secure. This is not financial advice, just my crypto journey. See you tomorrow.